bounds.
Hi guys, this is my project. It is a SMS controlled lighting system. I have here 3 bulbs. Okay, label as light 1, light 2, and light 3. I also have here a GSM module, a common power connector, a Arduino Uno, and a relay module. I also have here a recycled extension wire. So this is my supply for my relay module. So I also have to power up the GSM module using a 12 volts 1 ampere and higher connector. So I will be now texting and to see if it's functional. So I have here common functions: on 1, on 2, on 3, 4. On 1 to turn on the bulb 1 and so on. And to turn it off, I also have off state. Off. So I need to off 1, off 2, off 3. And to determine the state or whether it's turned on or turned off, you just have to type state. So we'll be trying first the on 1. So let's type in all caps on 1, and so the signal here is very difficult to find, so like it will take 4 seconds after the message is successfully sent. So on 1, let's see. Okay, it's sending. Okay, let's see. Message is sent after like, okay, the light 1 is turned on. Let's try again the on 2. So I have here on 2. So if it's sent, yeah, it's sent 1, 2, 3, 4 on. Yeah, that's for bulb number 2. Let's try to turn on bulb number 3. So the keyword there is on 3. On 3, yeah, on 3. So the light must function. Okay, sending. We have difficult signal here. Okay, oops, it's turned on already. So if I have to turn it off, I just have to type off 3. Let's start with off 3. Bulb 3 has problems because I almost broke it up. It fell on the floor. So I have off 3, off 2 to turn off bulb number 2. Off 2. And then off 1. This is in all caps. Off 1. Okay, it's sent 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have turned off all the bulbs. Now let's try to turn it all on. Let's try to turn it on all. So let's try to type keyword all. On all. And let's see what will happen. Sent 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then if we need to turn it off, all, off, all, off, all. Okay. Let's see the state of the bulbs, whether it's turned on or not. So let's type a keyword state. So for the state, like it will take up like 10 seconds because the GSM still like typing the message and getting the data from the GSM. So let's wait. Okay, since because you can see all bulbs are off. So the message is bulb 1 is off, bulb 2 is off, bulb 3 is off. If we turn it all, then let's try to put state on it. So on all, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then let's type the state. State. So let's wait like 10 seconds. So as you can see, all of it are turned on. So we have received the message, bulb 1 is on, bulb 2 is on, bulb 3 is on. So that's it for the project. And if you have message, just PM me to learn about this project. So I have to turn it off all. Okay, that's it, guys. If you want to request projects, just message me so I can try developing the project. Bye.